I'll guide you through cancelling a MoneyGram money transfer and securing a full refund without losing your hard-earned transfer fees or getting locked out by customer service. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Because MoneyGram high-speed transfers complete rapidly, you only have a small window of opportunity to intercept your money before it leaves the system permanently after accidental input errors, wrong recipient details, or immediate buyer's remorse when realizing a transaction is part of an online scam. To proceed, log into the latest MoneyGram mobile app or online at moneygram.com in your browser. Navigate straight to the Activity tab on your dashboard menu. Locate the exact transaction utilizing your unique 8-digit reference number. Tap the visible Cancel Transfer or Request Cancellation button inside the transaction summary interface. If you originally sent cash via a physical service agent counter, return to the same agent store. Present your original paper receipt showing the barcode details alongside a valid government-issued photo ID to the teller. Request an immediate cashier void to pull the funds out of transit on the spot. If the digital portal throws an infrastructure error or displays a locked status, you can also call MoneyGram customer care at 1-800-666-3947. Provide the phone agent with the sender name, recipient name, destination country, and exact principal amount to manually override the pending transfer. Expect your electronic refund back on your credit or debit card within 3 to 5 business days. If your original payment method was a direct bank account debit, wait up to 10 business days for the funds to clear. If the transaction status shows already picked up or completed, you need to submit a formal fraud report immediately via the MoneyGram Online Help Center, link in description. To open a formal chargeback dispute to reclaim your money through network protection, contact your financial institution right away. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.